Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. So in today's topic, we will figure it out for how to fix no speakers or headphones are plugged in Windows. So we will sort this issue in this video. So firstly, you have to follow these steps. In step 1, we have to just go to command prompt. So in search bar, you have to just enter here CMD and you have to click on run as administrator and click on yes. So here is the command prompt is open. So you have to copy these queries and paste it in command prompt, and I will also upload these queries in description of this video as well, so you can also copy it from there. So you have to just paste it and press enter. So here this message is occurred, the specified account name is already a member of the group. So it means that this query also already exists in this. So if this is not exist, so the message will be shown here. Instead of this, the message will be shown like your command is running smoothly. You have to enter it here. So here is the same message again, the specified account name is already a member of the group. So by entering these queries in command prompt, your issue will be fixed. And if someone still has an issue and the issue will not be fixed, so we will follow another steps, which will be device manager. So we have to just click right device manager in search bar and open it up. And we have to go through in sound, video, and game controller. Here you have to just click on it, and in drop down you will basically find some driver like Conexant ISST audio. If you are not showing this driver in your system, you will get Realtek audio driver. So if you didn't have this, so you have Realtek. I didn't get Realtek is showing here, so I will right click on Conexant ISST audio and go to the properties. And in properties, I have to just go to the driver mode, and in driver mode, I have to just click on uninstall device. By click on uninstall device, this driver will be uninstalled and you have to restart your computer. By restarting your computer, this driver will be reinstalled in your computer and your issue will be fixed. So if you like my video, so kindly share it and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.